when you're, let's say, telephone prospecting or door knocking or something like that to get listings, all the other coaches teach you to say the exact wrong thing. It's a bunch of mindless chit chat, a bunch of rapport building baloney, and you don't get right down to business. You don't ask the right questions at all, or even in the right order if you do. So most people, if they were calling, and if I called you and I said, I was just calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house, and you said yes, most every agent would say when, because it's all about me making money off of you as soon as possible. That's what all the other coaches teach. When is later. If it's about you, the seller, my question would be, where are you moving to? Are you going to rent, or are you going to buy when you do move? Is it going to be a condo, or is it going to be a house? Is it going to be, if I'm interested in you, I'd wonder if it's a house, is it going to be bigger, or is it going to be smaller than the one you're in? Is it going to be more expensive or less expensive? I'm looking for your problem, because if you have a problem, I can help you fix it. And I'm not going to find out your problem in when, I'm going to find it out in where. So where are you moving to? It could be 10 or 15 questions depending on their situation. Then you go to when, and when asked correctly is not when are you thinking about putting it on the market. It's, I decide that. It's when is the soonest, realistically, that you could imagine moving day ever being. I want to know when they're thinking moving day realistically could ever be. So little things like that make all the difference. We've made a lot of people rich that are agents at Fearless Agent, and it's by doing just these little things differently, way better, way smarter than all the other coaches out there. If you'd like to find out if you have what it takes to be a Fearless Agent coaching student, go to the fearlessagent.com at the banner in the upper right-hand corner. Click, take our little free test drive. It's the webinar. Take a lot of notes. That will help you. Call me right after at 480-385-8810. Let's just have a conversation to see if it would be a good fit for you or not. I'm not going to be closing you. We don't do that. It's just to find out if it's a good fit. If it is a good fit, you're going to get rich. If it's not a good fit, we'll admit that. And I'm still happy to help you in any other ways I can. You can also subscribe right here at fearlessagent.tv. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and subscribe to that. Immerse yourself in all things Fearless Agent, but for sure, give me a call. Let me see if I think I can help you at 480-385-8810, toll free day or night, and we'll see if we can make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.